Every night fucks every day up. Every day patches the night up. Oh God, you should match it, it's the kill.
Alright, hi babes, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's She's Your Fave, and if you are not new here, hey girl, what's up? In today's video, I'll be working with Alipearl. They went ahead and sent me this 18-inch kinky curly bob. It is a 13x4 HD lace frontal wig in 250 density. So as you can see right now, the HD is HDing. This 250 density is definitely giving. Like, I'm pretty sure it probably would get bigger if I was to diffuse it more, but right now it's like semi-dry, and I really like, you know, how these curls came together. I did love using these two brushes because it really helps. So a regular wig brush and a diamond brush to give you this defined look. This hair is gorgeous. The kinky curly texture is definitely doing what it's supposed to, and you know, bobs are in for the summertime. We are not only doing straight bobs, we could do curly, and this is cute. It's giving natural, it's giving wash day, fresh twist out, and she ate. So if you like to see how I did this quick and easy glueless install for this gorgeous unit from Alipearl hair, the links will be in the description box, and just keep watching.
Every night fucks every day up. Every day patches the night up. Oh God, you should match it, it's the kill. No, I lied, still I fuck my 28th up. 1998, my family had the Accra. The legend. Kept at least 6 discs and a changing. Back when Boswell and Percy had it active. Couple bishops in the city building mansions. The reverend. Preaching self-made millionaires status. When we could only eat at Shoney's on occasion. After Trina hit, I had to transfer campus. Your apartment, I didn't use is where I waited. Staying with you when I didn't have a habit. Fucking on you when I didn't own a mattress. Working on the way to make it out of Texas. Every night, baby, I'm going through my night. I know I can hear none of this in the night. Oh my gosh, wanna see the runner, wanna die. Wanna feel another vibe, go with me at the marsh. Go to boys, wanna see me go down, see me go down. Stress status, every day. Shut the fuck up, I don't want your conversation. Rolling marijuana, that's a vacation. Every day, shit, every night, shit, every day, shit, every day, shit, every day, shit. Every night fucks every day up. Every day patches the night up. Oh God, you should match it, it's the kill. No, I like to still I fuck my 28th up. 1998, my family had the Accra. The legend. Kept at least 6 discs and a changing. Back when Boswell and Percy had it active. Couple bishops in the city building mansions. The reverend. Preaching self-made millionaire status. When we could only eat at Shoney's on occasion. After Trina hit, I had to transfer campus. Your apartment, I didn't use is where I waited. Staying with you when I didn't have a habit. Fucking on you when I didn't own a mattress. Working on the way to make it out of Texas. Every night, baby, I'm going through my night. I know I can hear none of this in the night. Oh my gosh, wanna see the runner, wanna die. Wanna feel another vibe, go with me at the marsh. Go to boys, wanna see me go down, see me go down. Stress status, every day. Shut the fuck up, I don't want your conversation. Rolling marijuana, that's a vacation. Every day, shit, every night, every day, shit, every day, shit, every day. Every night fucks every day up. Every day patches the night up. Oh God, you should match it, it's the kill. No, I lied, still I fuck my 28th up. 1998, my family had the Accra. The legend. Kept at least 6 discs and a changing. Back when Boswell and Percy had it active. Couple bishops in the city building mansions. The reverend. Preaching self-made millionaire status. When we could only eat at Shoney's on occasion. After Trina hit, I had to transfer campus. Your apartment not in use is why I waited. Staying with you when I didn't ever have you. Fucking on you when I didn't on the mattress. Working on a way to make it out of Texas. Every night, baby, I'm coming for my night. You know I get hit and I spend the night. Oh my gosh, wanna see the man, wanna die. Wanna feel another look, you can buy. Follow me at the marsh. If you go to work, wanna see me go down. See me go down, switch down, every day. I'm all in, just an option. Refuse to be forgotten. I'm all in, just an option. Refuse to be forgotten.
I'm finally finished, and this is the gorgeous unit from Alipearl. This unit was so easy to put on. It literally took me like 22 minutes to be exact to do the install, and then to diffuse it took another 5 minutes, and we are here. This gorgeous wig is their 250 density 18-inch 13 by 4 HD lace frontal wig unit. It is a kinky curly bob, and we are loving it. Like, it was so easy to install, so easy to work with. I didn't have to do anything. It came with an adjustable strap in the back as well as a band. I did get an extra band, but I didn't use it because that by itself, those two bands definitely did the glueless reinforcement that we needed. So that way I only did the adhesive spray, and even then I am able to take this wig on and off, you know, use the adhesive spray and put it back on the next day if I feel like wearing this. This unit is definitely giving wash day, wash and go. The girl really just defined the heck out of this unit, and she's eating. She's very cute. I like her. The curls are curling. Like, I love defining kinky curly hair because, girl, it's so many different patterns and waves you could create using these two brushes. And then there's not much hair in this brush, like nothing I can really pull out. But let me go ahead and show you guys the shedding. This wig is 250 density. Okay, so I got a decent amount of shedding for me just taking the wig out the pack, installing it, and just brushing out all of those hairs that weren't pretty much connected to the weft. This is how much shedding I got, which is not alarming for kinky curly hair. So this right here is a decent amount of shedding. It's just okay. And then after this, now when you do your second wash or your second detangling process, you shouldn't run into that much shedding. And then in regards to this 250 density, I can feel it. This wig is kind of heavy, not really, but like, you could feel it's really dense. You could see it's really dense, and I love that because that way your unit lasts a whole lot longer. This unit eats. So if you'd like to purchase this gorgeous unit from Alipearl, which I would highly recommend, it's a cute unit, it's a good unit, and it's a bob for the summertime. The links for this wig will be in the description box for you to purchase. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye, babes.